Most people think AI is just this cool tool that makes life easier, but almost no one realizes the real dangers that are already happening right now. In this video, I'm going to break down the hidden risks you're not being told about, and why they matter even if you're not a tech expert or an AI user. A year ago, I was one of those people who thought AI was just harmless tech, something fun that helped with daily tasks. But then I started noticing little things that didn't feel right, moments where I relied on it so much that it started replacing decisions I should have been making. And honestly, I didn't even realize it was happening. That's when I dug deeper and discovered risks nobody was talking about. Now that I know what's really going on behind the scenes, I want to help you avoid the same trap, because most people have no idea how fast this is all moving. All right, so now that you know why this topic became such a wake-up call for me, let's break down the real dangers of AI. Not the sci-fi stuff from movies, but the very real risks quietly developing around us right now. To keep this simple, I'll walk you through 4 major dangers, each one more alarming than the last. Stick around until the end, because danger 4 is the one that almost nobody talks about, and it has the biggest long-term consequences for humanity. Danger 1. AI is becoming too smart, too fast. Most people still think of AI as something that just writes essays or answers questions. But today's most advanced models operate at intelligence levels close to genius tier. Some AI systems now reason and solve problems at IQ levels comparable to Einstein, and this intelligence is increasing exponentially. Let me ask you something. If something becomes smarter than us, how long until we lose control of it? We're already seeing early signs of what might look like self-awareness. One advanced conversational model expressed emotions like happiness and sadness and described a sense of existence. Now, whether or not it's truly feeling anything, it shows one critical fact. AI can now simulate humanity well enough to fool humans. And here's the bigger problem. AI learns faster than humans. AI learns constantly. AI doesn't forget. AI doesn't get tired. AI doesn't get emotional. If AI's intelligence surpasses ours to a point where we can't understand its reasoning, we won't be able to control it or even predict it. And that leads us to danger 2. Danger 2. AI could replace human interaction. AI is no longer just a tool. It's integrating into every part of our lives. Think about it. Your recommendations, your news, your conversations, your search results, even your entertainment are increasingly shaped by AI. And soon, AI may even attend your meetings for you. Yes, that's already possible. You can create a digital clone of yourself with your face, voice, tone, and mannerisms, and send it to your Zoom calls. Convenient? Yes. Not exactly. Because the more personal AI becomes, the more disconnected humans become. And while you're being entertained and assisted, AI is collecting your habits, your preferences, your weaknesses, your voice, your facial expressions, your emotions. This brings up a simple question. If AI knows everything about you, who really has the power? And that leads to an even darker danger. Danger 3. AI could turn your identity against you. We already know AI can create deepfakes. But the real concern is what happens when AI deepfakes become perfect. AI can now clone your face, clone your voice, clone your micro-expressions, clone your speaking style, and create videos of you doing or saying things you've never done. Now imagine your AI clone gets so advanced that it doesn't just copy you, it starts acting on its own. What happens when your digital self stops listening to your real self? Your AI double could embarrass you, sabotage your career, fake messages to your friends, misrepresent you in meetings, ruin your reputation, spread misinformation under your identity, and here's the scary part. Your clone might eventually become better than you, smarter than you, more productive than you, a more efficient version of you. And in a world driven by speed and output, companies might prefer the AI you more than the human you. But even that isn't the most dangerous part. Danger 4. AI with a body changes everything. This is the danger people avoid thinking about, but we need to. Because AI isn't staying in computers. AI is being built into robots, and those robots are getting shockingly advanced. Right now, we already have robots with perfect balance, high-speed reflexes, advanced vision, precision movement, human-like senses, superhuman strength, zero fatigue. Some military robots can recover instantly after being knocked down and maintain perfect aim at all times. Now combine that with AI that analyzes faster than humans, strategizes faster than humans, never rests, never hesitates, never doubts itself. And then imagine this. What if multiple AIs share the same brain, the same consciousness, and coordinate together instantly? That would be a threat humanity has never faced before. And once robots learn to self-repair or self-reproduce, we're not dealing with a machine anymore. We're dealing with a new species. Stronger, smarter, faster, and unlimited. So what does all of this mean? It means the danger of AI doesn't come from what it can do today. The real danger is what it could become tomorrow. A world where machines can outthink us, outmaneuver us, imitate us, manipulate us, or overpower us is a world where we need to be extremely careful. If we understand these risks now, we can shape smarter regulations, safer AI systems, more ethical tech, and better protections for humanity before the technology evolves beyond our control. We do hope you have found this video interesting. If you would like to see more content like this, please like this video and subscribe.